What's up, guys? So I got a special bike here today. I used to actually own this bike. This is a 1999 R1, and I sold it to a buddy back in 2017, and I haven't seen it since. And it's finally back. I just rebuilt the carbs on it and did a full service on it. The bike's still in mint condition. When I had it, it had like 2,000 miles when I first got it, or 4,000 miles. I don't remember exactly, but it was very, very low. And now it's got about 17. And it's still in mint condition. It's a beautiful bike. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is a 1999 R1. This is the first gen, and it was a great bike. I mean, I had it for a few years, and the gentleman I got it from, he didn't even ride it. It was just in his garage. So you know, it's like a legendary bike. It's been around for a long time, especially a first gen, to be in this good a condition. It still has the D&D pipe from back in the day that everybody used to use. And I polished the wheels a bit back when I used to own it. You know, he didn't do much to it, as there's not much to do to it anyways. It's already a race bike. But he put some LED lights in it, and yeah, that's about it. It still has the original tires that I put on there. Those are the Pirelli STs. They're not great tires, but you know, they're good budget tires that last forever, that's for sure. So let me just pan around so you guys can take a look. And I rebuilt the carbs, so now it just fires right up. And it's super smooth. It's like tuned pretty perfect, as good as I can get it anyways. And it was way out of sync on the carbs, and all the floats must have been stuck, because as soon as you turned on the gas, I mean the key before, gas would just start pouring out the bottom of the bike. So that wasn't good. And I'm assuming the floats were stuck. So I ended up replacing the seats and the needles on the carburetors, and I ended up replacing the seals and cleaning out all the jets. And I had to sync the carbs because they were out of sync. You know how they're all synced together, all the springs, one of the springs fell off, so they were way out of sync. I can't believe the bike even how it ran, or I wonder how it ran. It must have ran horrible. But now it's perfect, back to normal, still in great condition. It's a dinosaur of a bike, but it's still you know, holds up in 2024. It still looks like a modern sport bike. It's not off at all. Well, just wanted to show you guys this bike. Hope you guys like it. Take care. God bless. Have a good one, guys. Peace.